My beloved children, after discussing arithmetic progression at full length and breadth, the second leg type 2 problem we are discussing under the heading geometric progression. In between I taught a natural series. In arithmetic progression, in between I taught a natural series. Here no natural series, only geometric progression exclusive study we are making. What is geometric progression? Progression means series. Series means arranging element. In between plus sign you have to indicate one rule you have to follow. If you follow the rule as multiplying each successive number, by a fixed quantity, the series is called geometric series or geometric progression, in abbreviated form GP. So, geometric progression is a progression where the elements or where the numericals are multiplied by a fixed quantity, increased APGP, multiplication increase only AP, multiplication JP. The fixed quantity is called common ratio. Common ratio is usually denoted by R. The R value restricted, R value plus 1 means not GP, minus 1 means not GP, 0 means not GP. Except these three values, any value R can take, whereas this value when R takes, it is not a GP, all formula, everything is not applicable. So, whenever common ratio 1, if you say not applicable, so its problem is not related to GP. Minus 1 case not GP, 0 case also not GP, exempted value. As usual, we come across some more nth term how to calculate. I want 40th term, I want 100th term, I want 200th term, I want 144th term, likewise which term you want, we can calculate. We have a formula called Tn formula. A dot r power n minus 1 is a formula given. Thereafter, summation formula. Here summation formula, sum of n terms of a GP. If common ratio more than 1, one formula, less than 1 mean another formula, the same formula interchange. R power n minus 1, 1 will come here, R will go there, 1 minus R power n, 1 minus R you have to put common ratio modulus less than 1, then only second formula you can apply. More than 1 mean first formula is equal to 1 ruled out, not possible. In addition to that, we have seen one more formula, sum of infinite terms. Infinite term can be found out by a formula S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Condition modulus R less than 1. Simply do not say R less than 1. The less than 1 case use the word mod R. Mod R is less than 1. What is the significance of modulus R? If R is negative, ignore the sign. Decide the formula. After deciding the formula, choose R is equal to minus 2 likewise. Minus 1 temporarily you are eliminating, deciding the formula. After deciding the correct formula, R is equal to with minus 1 you have to substitute. These are the things so far I come across. Extra 2 more things I have to tell. Next heading you give product of n terms. Product of n terms of a GP. Product of n terms of a GP, underline. So, AP chapter you didn't teach me, in AP we cannot find. Geometric progressions we have. Product of n term, not the sum of n term we have seen. Product of n term. Infinite term GP we have, AP not possible. AP case not GP case, what you have, not that you should have AP. AP sum of infinite term not possible. Product of n term not possible. Multiplication is possible. Product of n terms of a GP. Heading. Underline the heading. In geometric progression, the product of the product of n terms is possible, can be found out product of n terms of a GP can be found out if n is odd number. You can calculate product of 3 terms, product of 5 terms, product of 11 terms, product of 4 terms you cannot, there is no formula. So, product of 10 terms no formula, only n terms there is a formula. So, product of product of n term is equal to middle term whole to the power of n, provided n must be odd. If n is a even number, we cannot find, no formula exists. Look, off the record. Three terms, product I want, multiplication I want, 1 into 3 into 9, answer 27. Middle term 3, how many terms? 3 cube 27. 5 terms you take, middle term you identify, middle term whole to the power of 5 is equal to product of 5 terms. Same manner, 1 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 4 into 6 into 8, 5 terms, middle term is equal to 4, middle term is 4, 4 to the power of 5, answer 1024. If you multiply 2, 8 is 48, 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 8 is 64. GP 1, 2, 4, not 6, 8. 1 into 2, 8 is 64, 64 into 60, 1024. 5 terms I want to multiply, middle term identify, whole power 5. If you multiply, you will be getting condition odd number, 5 terms odd, 3 terms odd. Note, if 3 numbers are in GP, then those numbers can be assumed in this manner. We can assume AP we have A minus D, A plus D. 2 problem we did, 3 numbers problem. If I assume like this, next few steps I got the answer. Geometric progression, 3 numbers are in GP mean we assume first number A by R, second number A, third number AR. If you assume easily you can get X, Y, Z also you can assume, you can get but time you have to spend more. Within the shortest time if you want to get me, this in this manner you assume. The important thing in the side I will write Sn is equal to you have to interchange. One will come or will go. If mod r is equal to, don't put less than, greater than S infinity, less than 1, modulus less than 1, Sn, S infinity modulus or less than 1. Here n value should be odd, n is odd conditions. This background is enough for you to give problems on geometric progression. What are the things you are supposed to remember on GP mean? These are the things. You have to apply this formula suitably. Which situation we are applying, more problem I am going to teach. That way you can understand and assess. Whenever a problem is given like this, Sn formula, Pn formula, likewise easy for you to understand. There will not be any confusion. The word GP will be given invariably, they will give, otherwise 3 terms they will give, first 3 terms. If first 3 terms are given, you can check GP or not. Once it is a GP, you think Sn formula we have to use, Pn formula we have to use, Tn formula we have to use. The Tn formula I didn't mention. Take my book, type it to problem geometric progression. Find the sum of 10 terms of 1 plus 4 plus 16 dot dot dot. AP word not given, GP word not given, one series is given. 1 plus 4 plus 16 dot dot means it is a series. You have to identify what series is given. AP means AP formula, GP means GP. First you write the given series is geometric GP. The given series is GP because T2 by T1 you have to calculate 4 by 1, T3 by T2 you have to calculate. They are same. Series name and not given means first you check. Here under the heading geometric progression I am giving a series means you can use your common sense. So under master teaching GP, under the heading one series is given means obviously the series is GP. In that manner you can tell, of course, examination. Therefore T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 geometric series. sum of 10 terms. S1 asked what is given, you write in terms of symbol. A, first term 1, or common ratio 4, n 10. Tn formula 10th you have to put S1 case 10, n is equal to 10. Since r is greater than 1, use formula 1. Four power 10 value don't calculate. You will look at the option. Here I have not given option. Examination, each question option will be given. Option you look at, options are given like this, leave as it is. Options are numerical, you have to simplify. 4 power 10 calculation is not so easy. Up here, my advice is, look here, up to 5, up to 5 you simplify. Again you have to look at the option. Option sometimes will be given, even power 5 itself they will give 4 power 5 minus 1, they will give answer. In the same manner, second problem let us discuss. Let us pass on to problem number 2. Problem number 2. Find the sum of 20 terms in 1 plus half plus quarter. Series given, sum word given. Whether the series is AP, GP, have to check. First standard. The given series is GP. I am going to prove. The given series is GP. T2. They are same, GP. A is equal to R is equal to this R. What value you are getting? R. If R is positive, easy. R is positive, directly control below 1 sir. Formula 2 I have to use sir. If negative is given, ignore the side. That is the significance of mod. half is given, I am putting within mod half, I am opening the mod also half. Use formula 2. Minus half in what? Minus 2 by 1. Distinguish the brackets. At that time we are using 2 brackets mean distinguish. 3 brackets we have. 2 brackets at a time we are using. One problem 2 brackets we are using means brackets should be discriminated. I applied the formula wrongly. R is less than 1. Use formula number 2. I applied the formula wrongly. I mentioned R value below 1, mod R less than 1. We have to use the formula 2. I said correctly, doing wrongly. So, set this second formula. Problem 3. Find the sum of one examination problem. Third problem is an examination problem, CPT. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 dot 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 up to infinity. Infinity sign, some students they are putting wrongly. Infinity sign is always like this. You have to close the ends. Most of the students they are writing infinity. This alpha symbol, infinity symbol, try to put like this. Even if you put wrongly in school, at least from my class or in my class, indicate infinity is ends should be closed. Infinite terms they are asking mean the series is GP. Anyhow, you have to verify, good habit. Sum of infinite term, find the sum of infinite term. I mean, intelligent student can say, sir, infinite terms AP, GP you didn't teach it. GP alone we have, you said, therefore it is a GP. In that manner you can argue. Problem 3. The series is geometric progression because answer is 3 by 2. Infinite terms A are formula given, S infinity. Mention geometric series T2 by T1. T2 by T1 answer should be equal to T3 minus T2. If they say GP, this should be equal. If it is equal, GP is confirmed. Try to understand, not necessary for your level, but it is easy to understand. Infinite terms I am asking you to add. Infinite terms. How many terms? Crore terms you are adding. What is answer mean? 3 by 2, 1.5. Infinite terms I have added, answer is 1.5. First two terms you add. First two terms alone you add. 1.33. First 3 terms 1.33. Remaining crore terms if we add, the contribution from the crore term is 0.17. 0.17 it contributes. Which contributes? The remaining term. I have taken 2 terms. Third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, 10th term, 100th term, millionth term, croreth term. Infinite terms added. Answer is 0.17. First 2 terms itself gives a major contribution to the sum. Sum 1.5 be calculated using formula. I am adding only just to 2 term I am adding. 2 term answer is 1.33, total answer 1.58. So, 0.17 is a contribution from the remaining infinite term. So, the infinite terms contribution is very meager. This we have to study BSc mathematics. Whenever the sum tends to small number, the series is called convergence series. The sum becomes infinity, the series is called divergence series, converging, diverging. That is separate chapter in BSc level, not plus 2 level, BSc level. Convergence series alone can be differentiated, divergence series cannot be differentiated, continuity. Not necessary for you, just out of curiosity. Infinite term answer 1.5, we calculated 1.5. Infinite terms added. I am adding 2 terms up, even 4th term we added. 1.9 is 0.11. 1 by 9 answer 0.11. 1.44. 3 terms contribution 1.44. Remaining term contribution is 0.06, which is a very meager, insignificant, we use little. Problem 4. A person saves 1 paisa in the first day, 2 paise in the second day, 4 paise in the third day, and so on. Find the total amount of saving in 2 weeks. Find the total saving in 2 weeks. Outwardly, we cannot say GP, the word GP directly not given. You write first day saving. One P for paise, P for paise, P, 1 P put. Second day. First you write first day saving 1 paise, P for paise. Second day savings 2 paise. Third day saving 4 paise. Lower denomination after number you have to put. Usually lower denomination 43 paise mean put like this. Don't put the paise 43 wrong. Rupee cases first you have to put higher denomination first. Rupees 35. Nobody will write 35 rupees. Checkbook you check. Checkbook you check. First rupees, thereafter paise. Therefore, lower denomination after the numerical P you have to put. Total savings. One paise, 2 paise, 4 paise, dot, paise, all paise figures if you add result is a paise. 5 paise plus 3 paise, 8 paise. Two weeks, 14 terms. First day 1 paise, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, up to 14th day paise. It is a geometric progression. From the look you can tell it is a geometric progression. A is equal to 1, R is equal to 2, N is equal to 14, S and sum. R value more than 1. It is an examination problem, answer is given rupees. Options. All paise figures you are adding. All paise figures, if you add, the result is a paise. So many paise. You have to calculate. 2 to the power of 14 minus 1. Denominator division by 1, no effect. This type of problem coming examination you can expect. So many paise minus 1. Answer is rupees 163.84. Problem 5. 2x plus 1, 8x minus 1, 20x plus 5 are in geometric progression. Find x. Same problem in AP, 2 methods I taught, both the methods are easy. This problem, finding x is not easy. Finding x you have to do like this, don't take. Because I am not going to teach you 2 methods, easy method I am teaching. The difficult part I will explain. Those who are having interest, they can try. Even if you know it, nobody will try it, time based. Usually, how to find x value mean geometric progression, don't take T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Geometric progression, they said you can write like this. When they say GP, you can write like this. When you get this is true, when you get to true, you can say GP. Earlier 3 problem I did, I got the same answer. Given series is GP, I said equal means GP, you can tell. GP means it should be equal. Don't take it because only explanation. T2 is equal to 8x minus 1. 8x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 is equal to 20x plus 5 8x minus 1. Crosswise multiply 8x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 2x plus 1 into 20 plus x. You have to open the bracket. X square term you will be getting x square term, x term number is equal to 0. You will be getting a quadratic equation. You have to solve the equation. What x value you are getting, which is figuring in the option, you have to tick. So, a plus a minus b whole square formula you should know it. You have to open the bracket, you have to group all term, you have to group left side, x square term, constant term, quadratic equation you have to solve it, middle term breaking method. So, it is a time consuming, therefore, this method is a book method. Even scanner they have explained this in this manner. It is an exam problem. They did in this manner, they did, but I used to suggest easy method, option testing method. First you write, getting the value of x is very difficult process. Getting the value of x, getting the value of x is a difficult process and time consuming also. And time consuming also. Hence, we can use option testing method. We can use option testing method. APGB both I taught. Here option testing method I am teaching. Other method hint I have given. It is a time consuming. Even if you know you are good, you are a genius in quadratic equation, in algebra, even genius, you should not use it. If you use this method in the examination, means you are not genius. You are spending more time to get the answer. When easy time, simple time, fastest manner you can do and get the answer. When there is a method, you are not choosing. So that you are not proving you are intelligent, you are not proving, you have failed. Now you are right. Getting the answer is very difficult, therefore option testing method can be thought of. Hence, option testing method can be thought of. Paragraph. Take each option and substitute in the problem. Take each option and substitute in the problem and simplify. If the results are in GP, the option is correct. Take option A. Take option A, x is equal to 4. Underline. Substitute in the problem. Two x plus 1 first number, eight x minus 1 second number, if you substitute for 9, 31, 85. Substitute in the problem. If you substitute x is equal to 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 30, you need not indicate 2 into 4 waste. It is simple. 8 plus 1, 9, 32 minus 1, 31, 85. Look, nobody will say they are in GP. They are in not GP, they are. not in GP. Option A wrong. Next, same manner, take option B, x is equal to 3, substitute in the problem, same manner you write. Option A, what I have written, how I have shown the steps, same manner. Take option B, x is equal to 2, substitute in the problem. Once again, don't write the problem, you have already written. Substitute in the problem, we get 9, we get 5, we get 15, we get 5a, first number become 5a, second number become 15, third number 45. You write they are in GP. If you multiply by 3, you are getting they are in GP. They are in GP. Option B is correct. B option. X is equal to 2. Option B is correct. Without the knowledge of quadratic equation, even if we do not know a minus b whole square formula, how to expand, we can get a mark. Hardly 20 seconds is enough. Steps I am writing. For your understanding, I used to write the steps clearly. I am insisting you to write clearly. Another 2 months you have to remember. At least if you neatly write on reading, you can understand. Even if you forget, reading you can get, on revising you can get back. Easily you can do, easily you can get the answer. When easy method is available, LSS will not recommend the other method. Both are equally easier cases. I will explain, choice is yours, I will tell. This is one is a very difficult, I explained quadratic equation. You have to group, and thereafter you have to solve the negative value, whatever value available in the option, you have to suppose two values are getting. One value alone is available, that value you have to take. Problem 6. A power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 by a power n plus b power n is a geometric mean of a and b. Find the value of n. Similar problem in AP we did. In AP 35th problem. First you write problem 5, you write problem 6, you write. Finding the value of n is very difficult process. Finding the value of n is a very difficult process. Full stop. Option testing method is also equally difficult. Option testing method is also equally difficult. Therefore, we have to remember the answer. We have to remember the answer, which is very simple and easy. Which is very simple and easy. The answer is AP problem 0, correct answer. Same problem in geometric progression they will ask. I said at that time, so many students, some students they can remember, many students they might be forgotten. So n is equal to minus of. GP problem n is equal to minus of, AP problem n value 0. AP that answer, GP this answer, don't put both wrong. AP 0, n value 0, n value minus half. This problem not appear in the examination. Begin bracket note. Refer problem 35 in AP. Refer problem number 35 in AP. That problem also you remember. The same English word I said. Problem 7. 7 plus double 7 you put. 7 plus double 7, extra 1 7 cut. First is 7, double 7, triple 7, dot up to n terms. Find the sum. First term 7, second term 77, third term 777, dot up to n terms. Find the sum. Some students immediately, sir, it is a GP, sir. First term 7, sir. Common ratio 11, sir. SN formula 0 mark. It is not a GP. The series is not a GP. They didn't mention GP. You are saying GP means it is your fault. Keen observation lacking. They didn't say GP. You are saying GP means you have to prove. That's the reason I said quite a number of times. Always verify, good habit. T2 by T1, 77 by 7, answer 11. T3 by T2, 777 by 777, you won't get the same answer. Not getting the same answer, 11, not getting. It is not a GP, they didn't say GP. This problem is a standard question in 10th standard AP. 7, 77, 777, 8, 88, 888, 5A, 555A, 555A. It's a standard problem. They used to give 6 mark, as well as 8 mark they used to give. Sure question one you can expect. That one method they used to teach, usually school method, you have to take 7, inside 1, 11, 11, into 9 you have to put 9, 99, 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, thereafter you have to proceed. I am not going to teach that method, easy method, I have easy method. So, easy method I am going to teach. This type of problem, easy method, easiest method I am going to recommend. Definitely you are going to appreciate, though not never, after knowing. And if you have a mind of appreciation, first you write problem 7. The given series is not a geometric progression. Is not a geometric progression, underline. Not a geometric progression, full stop. We have to modify. We have to modify the given series is, we have to modify the given series. We have to modify the given series into GP. We have to modify the given series into GP, and thereafter we have to apply suitable formula for finding the answer. This process is time consuming. This process is time consuming. Hence, we can make use of the following method. We can make use of the following method, which in bracket my initial report LSS method. We can apply the following method. Below you write put x is equal to 1, put x is equal to 1, put x is equal n, put n is equal to 1, n not x, n, put n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 1 in each option, put n is equal to 1 in each option and simplify. If the simplified answer is 7, if the simplified answer is 7, within bracket first term, the 7 is the first term, the simplified answer is 7 within bracket first term, the option is correct. I am using the technique which I taught in AP, S1, S1, T1 are always same. What is the first term of the series? 7. S1 you are going to calculate, Sn is given the option, each option is Sn, find the Sn, find the sum of the terms, each option is Sn. If you substitute n is equal to 1, simplify 7, if you get it, that option is correct. Take option, it is not option testing, take option A, Sn is equal to first option n is equal to 1 you are substituting, you are calculating S1 precisely, you are calculating S1, S1 is equal to T1 I said, T1 is 7, which option you will get 7 you have to check, n is equal to 1, first option I substituted, I am not getting 7, what you are getting is not important, so definitely I cannot get 7 sir, 70 minus beta 1, your answer is 69 something you are getting. I do not want the exact answer, but I am sure you are not getting 7. Do not waste your time using calculator, what is the answer? Intelligence required. Are you getting 7 means I am not getting 7. What you are getting I am not asking. Are you? No. That is all. Second option, same and neatly right. Take option B, yes and you write. Try same manner, right, put n is equal to 1. Second option. Put n is equal to 1 in all the options. Which option answer 7 you have to accept. So, second option answer 7 I am getting. Why 7 means first term 7. If first term 3 you have to get 3. Logic, S1 is equal to T1 logic. Take option B. Here plus 70 plus, again right, no chance of getting 7. Second option. First option, second option, what's the difference here? Plus. Same manner, do. Plus you will be getting. 70 plus means answer is more than 70. You have to write I am not getting 7. No chance you write. There is no chance of getting 7. How can you get 7? 70 plus. Option C. Option A, no chance of getting 7. Option B, option A, difference of plus 7, 7 by 9, no chance. Option B, substitute. 9 cancellation, 10 times is 9 times, 70 by 9. If you use calculator neatly, you won't get. LCM 9. 63 by 9, answer 7. Same manner, problem number 8 you have to do. After doing problem number 8, again same kind of problem appeared in the examination of CA Foundation, 28th problem. 28th problem also you have to do. Problem 8 you try, but English sentence you write. Problem 8. The given series is not a GP. They didn't say GP. Problem wrong, you should not write. If they say GP, you can point out. You are saying GP, but it is not a GP, you have to argue. They didn't say anything. Sum the series, that's all. Because some student, the series is not GP. Hence, sum not possible. They will write. They didn't say GP. If they say GP, you are correct. You are saying GP, it is not GP. Whether they said anywhere GP? No, they know. They didn't say. Now you write the given series is not a geometric progression. We have to modify the series into GP. We have to modify. If you refer the 10th standard book, they will indicate. They will take 8 out, 5 out, 1 they will get multiplication by 9, division by 9. 9 can be written as a 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, 10, 100 you have to group GP. 1 separate. 7 mark they used to give. Here also 7 mark if they give, I can show how to get 1 minute, 1 mark. Shortest method is this. We have to modify into GP, which is a time consuming process. Hence, we can, it is not option testing. You are not substituting the option. Hence, we can apply, we can use the following method. We can use the following method. Take each option and put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 and simplify. If the result is 0.5, simplify. If the result is 0.5, why 0.5 means first term, within bracket first term, T1, within bracket first term, T1. If the result is 0.5, then the option is correct. Now you write take option A. Option A you write Sn is equal to, put n is equal to 1. Take option A, you write take option A, Sn is equal to, put n is equal to 1. You are adding 0.55, you are adding 0.55. How can you get x 0.5? 5 by 9, that is equal to, if we calculate 9 by 5 by 9, 5a, 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 5 recurring series. You are adding 0.55, no chance, your answer is more than 1 will be getting. If you add 0.55, mean your answer is more than 0.55. Second, minus sign they are given. Take option B. Once again, right? Take option B. Put n is equal to 1. Here minus will be getting. So, no chance of getting 0.55. 0.55 minus 5, 0.555 minus 5 by 9 recurring series, 0.5545, you put 5.555545 minus 0.55 exact, answer 0.055, no chance of getting. Third option you take. LCM 9, same number mean 9 LCM. 5 minus 0.5, 4.5. 4.5 by 9 using calculator 0.5. Getting. Cancellation I put 0.11, that is wrong. 0.9 and 9 cancellation 0.1. Option A 0.1. 5 by 9 plus 0.5. You will be getting more than 5 by 9 minus 0.5, not 5 you are getting. Option C you are getting. Problem 28 you put, because same kind of problem we can finish here. Problem number 28 you put. Same English sentence you write. What I said the earlier two problems, same English sentence you write. The given series is not a GP. The given series is not a GP. We have to modify. We have to modify it into GP. We have to modify it to GP, which is a time consuming process. Hence, we can use the following method. We can use the following method. Don't write option testing. It is not an option testing method. You are putting n is equal to 1. You are putting n is equal to 1. You are not substituting the option in the problem. What is option testing? Option should be substituted in the problem. We used to get the answer. That is called option testing. We are putting n is equal to in the option. You are checking whether you are getting the first term you are getting, that you are checking. Take each option, following method. Take each option and put n is equal to 1. Take each option, put n is equal to 1. And simplify. If the result is 1, if the result is, and simplify. If the result is 1, within brackets, first term T1, first term T1, if we get 1 within bracket first term T1, then the option is correct. Take option A. Right? They are given last written M letter, they have changed M letter. Earlier to problem n letter, usually n letter, whereas this problem m letter, so suitable change you make. Take each option and put m is equal to 1, m for mother, m is equal to 1, m. They are given the variable letter m. Sm is given. The next and the last problem. First term itself we are getting the answer. Problem number 9. X is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 square up to infinity, dot 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 dot, never ending, last term not given, infinity. Y is equal to infinity. Find x plus y, x minus y, xy. Examination problem, xy is an examination problem. Find xy, that is the examination problem, but I have added 2 more questions. I have added x value you have to calculate, y value you have to calculate. X is a sum of geometric series, y is a sum of another geometric series. First we write given x is equal to given same manner why you write. How I have shown x, same manner why you write. Neatly write, space you gave, y value you have to calculate. 3 terms dot 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 given, dot dot mean infinitive, last term not given mean infinitive. Again given y is equal to, you have to put a bracket, geometric progression with GP with infinite terms, A is equal to 1, common ratio should be below 1, common ratio is below 1. You will be getting 4 by 3. One minus quarter means 3 by 4, 1 by 3 by 4, 3 by 4 inversion, 4 by 3, y value 4 by 3. Question number 1, x plus y. Don't use calculator. LCM 6. The continuation of remaining problems we can have in the next class.